What's going on, guys? This is Manny Sanchez, and I hope that you guys actually had a great Christmas with your family. But today I'm not going to be doing a vlog or a how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how the new portable JBL Extreme speakers sound. I'm just gonna put the speaker in the screen right here, and I'm going to put a song or a music that has no copyright, of course. I'm just gonna put it right here and you guys are gonna listen to it. If you guys actually enjoy, please drop a like and subscribe. And again, thank you for watching. You guys mean a lot to me. Thank you again for your support. The 240 subscribers that I have, I really appreciate your support. So please remember to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. If you're new in this channel, please consider to subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. So without further ado, let's get right into the quality sound test.